for me gidi say ho ye na se na me no mienu be kan bomu e dia matwe dia mpo Nyankopon wa hin ne pono na ene da ya beto ye o nhira knowledge ade amasua ebi kra jon say me training me practice abe menyankunim ebi so adwen on say me plan ma brabo yi ya minimo bi wa plan ma brabo na wa hihye na brabo na adwire aguo na minimo bi o talent amakono ba bia. When it comes to rising to the top, there's one thing that is outstanding. It's not your talent, your skill and knowledge, not your planning and training, even though they are all important. It's not even the ideas and dreams you have. The most important thing about becoming great is your mindset. The life of success and failure is possible unto you based on your mindset. So bedin kunim, so bedin kuguo. Prosperity and poverty are all creations from your mind. So benya ho, so bedin here, ni nyina so anyone kasa. How you make it in life is based on the mindset that you carry. Wadwene po a wasie. You can mindset a adwene po. Mindset is how a person makes sense of the world he lives in and makes sense of himself. You can mindset a said ya hunu wiase fa. Said ya hunu ho fa. Na said ya wo kire woni e ben wo so ho fa. Your mindset is formed by how you perceive yourself and how you perceive others and how you perceive your life circumstances and the world in which you live. It is formed by the opinions you hold about yourself. It is formed by the opinions you hold about life and about others. You can mindset a nia ekura wo adwene eye nioma wo dwene ho efo abrabo ho efo obi ho efa nioma to wo ho na ne nyina so eye nioma wa fa mu da your experiences, your education and kwa fa so tete wo enempo amamre ya ahya ma wo ena ne nyina ka bomu eye wa adwene na yemu bebre ewo empo ya adwene bo pa ade nam na obu a ya hira adwene po bi eto adwene so odi e bibini odi ekosuka na be sei odi ekosua we na be sei odi we menyo odi menfa nti ena aka wa hye boto bi mu we wuti say yesi ma menye odi wuti akoshem ena aka wa hye ye friend fixed mindset ni awusua dada no na odi ye adwuma untimi montra o hye ya dia ma waso nkoso bi hwe. You have a fixed mindset that does not believe in changing the status quo, in daring to take a risk to become better. You are just fixed within a comfortable box of where your parents said you should be. Maybe and then they just say, you know, hey, what do you front to mago? Men ya papa grow, what do you crow down nanti? Men could ya go and go pra? What do you say ya? What do you canny ba? What do you canny? What do you fragmentum? What do you say ya? When they can know yo. Aya anya ba say. Yani achoso akodumo jam na wadumo. Amale wi mu akobo e. Ojomo e kai komi. Ni kojomo kai komi e. O wala hu kai komi. When your mind becomes fixed, your life becomes stuck. So why do you kafa kwa? Sa na a fixed mindset na. Onko so kafa ko. There's a second one we call the growth mindset. Any one mindset bebrebe. Ya me no be wu kunta. And the pass wabrabo nko yi a. The first place you have to examine is not your friend, not your education, not your government, not the politician, not your church, but your mindset. Check what dwene mu po. Atenka egu uni pedua mu. Adwene a wo dwene anopare anwumre. Enempo the framework of your mind. Emfoni a watwa fa abrabo afa wankasa ho. Afa abrabo a wo behu. Obo ama na abrabo sa abrabo adin o. Enti watwa abrabo mfoni se edne. Ade edne so de aye ntanyo. Ono ankasa mfoni watwa fa no ho sa me de me nsem fata. Me de me nsem fata. Me de me bebini. Me de say ana watwa mfoni fun ene abagro mfoni afa no ho. If your life is stuck, check your mindset. For you to become better, you have to check your mindset and get the ingredients to think in a better way, to act in better ways. Hey, wa brabo nyina so nyina ene sade we. adwene epo a ekura wo ye ko anim me kire wo adwene mo po be enso na wayi mu ba mienu e de abubra. Some of us possesses leadership mindset e de bi so followership mindset. O go say me your ba de ese na be one dey ka kire wo adwene bi wo ha ye fa e kan ye hye e na adwene bi wo so ye fa e kenya ye enti bomode na pe adwene be kenya wo na enka won hye na fa bubura me da aswate we de meja haya na me de na aseso kwa ma se enede ya wo kodi dwuma bia no pe adwene be ka wo akọ animu adwene a ebetima ma anegya aba wo mu adwene mama wankasa wa dọ ho na wabu ho na odi empo akuduro abubra anya adwene bema ehu ni abonfiaye ehya wo mama na Adom TV adwumayefo nyina ase won ne ebo aya adwumade we baaye efi camera MCR floor lighting sound and a production render